Hello mga aunties! So today, finally, ito na yung araw na pupunta kami ng Turkey. Magbabakasyon kami to celebrate our wedding anniversary. So ayan, naka full pack na tayo. Ayan na yung bag natin. Siyempre, dun kami for a few days. And I will upload videos guys while I'm there, while we are there, and we'll show you around Turkey. So we're going to Marmaris, but the hotel that we were staying is in between Marmaris and Ejmiller. I'm not sure if I am pronouncing it properly, but yeah, it's between there, and the hotel, it looks amazing, and I'm gonna show you a video as well of the hotel. But yeah, today I'm already dressed, so this is my outfit for the what do you call this? So yan, naka lang tayo guys, naka mini dress na black. Ayan, and then I'm gonna wear my white shoes, and that's it. So there's my bag, and there's Dave's bag, and that's my bag, and I'm gonna have my hand carry bag, and then laptop bag. So ayan, so may laptop bag tayo para makapag-upload tayo ng mga videos while there, so para up to date kayo. Ayan, so we're heading to the airport now. We have to be there because our flight is at 4 p.m. So excited! I'm gonna update you guys so when we are in the car, okay? So, ayan guys, dito na kami ngayon sa airport, and nakapag-check-in na kami. So, kain lang muna kami para hindi kami magutom. So, I'll show you around. Andito nga pala kami sa Burger King. So, yan, nag-order na si Dave.
You don't have Sprite, you want Fanta or Coke?
So, and eat. I have the Whopper burger and some fries. Actually, I'm hungry. Thank you. Kain tayo guys. Ang daming tao. Back to normal na. There's not a lot of people wearing masks. So we are leaving. So we are now boarding. And I'm excited to be in Turkey. And we'll be there at 10 p.m. So it's what time is it? 4:10. So 5 minutes delay. So we should be flying soon. And yeah, just excited. The queue is very long. So check-in, and also when you are inside to board. So it's very long queue. And but now we're here, and I'll show you.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name's David Lewis from the Captain Lake. Alongside my colleague is Dean Martis, and for both of us, a very warm welcome aboard this EasyJet Airbus for your flight to Dalaman. Almost ready to go now. Running a little bit late, I'm afraid. This aircraft was a little bit late in from Rotterdam. It's only flight from Rotterdam this morning. But we should be getting underway in about 5 minutes or so. Taxing out take off of the Wembley runway. Fast right, we will turn. Tracks north of London towards the east coast. Flight time, not a bit out of 50 minutes. It's actually lovely weather en route, and lovely weather down in Turkey. On the camera leave to do, so as we taxi out, they'll be giving you a safety demonstration. Darcy, please give this your fullest attention. Please fly the airplane, so no doubt he'll speak to you sometime during the cruise, but later, please make yourselves comfortable.
via private transfer. This is included in our booking, and yeah, it's kind of late and we're starving. Look at him, so tired. Yeah, but this is nice. Look at the seat, we're alone, just the two of us, and there's no one here, which is good. But yeah, it's very late. What time is it?
Midnight.
It's midnight here in Turkey, so yeah. And we're tired. That was chaos at the airport. We stand for like on a queue for like almost 2 hours, and then finding the bags. Oh my god, that was it's worst experience, yeah, I would say. But then again, looking forward for a holiday, yeah, on our way to the hotel. It's dark here because it's midnight, but yeah. Can't see anything really. We're finally here at the hotel, guys. Finally, after a long ride. Huh? Hello. Good. It was a long trip.
But you finally made it.
Yeah, finally. So, invitation.
David Habbick. Habbick.
So we're finally going to a room after a long, long day. Oh, I almost tripped. Yeah, it's a very nice hotel. Look there. Going to a room. There's our bag. And we're going to a room. I'm super excited though. I'm starving right now. I'm super excited though. I'm gonna catch up with them. There's the food. Thank you.
Three one.
Second floor. See. What's your name?
My name is Safa.
Safa.
Yes,
Oh,
Safa,
okay.
that's right.
Thank you.
Welcome, lady. Perfect.
Do you give him? We don't have a change. We'll give him. We'll find you tomorrow again.
Thank you.
You're working tomorrow, yeah?
Yes, I'm working until 9 o'clock here. Start in the morning.
Uh huh.
Thank you. It's air conditioner here, no?
The air
That is the
condition.
temperature.
Okay.
You must close the button for opening air conditioner, you know.
Ah.
Alright, enjoy your holiday. See you later.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
See ya.
You're welcome.
Okay, so we're finally in our room after a long day. So I will do a room tour. So this is the room. I will show you. We'll see but the toilet first. Toilet. Okay. This is how it is. I'll show you. Okay. So this is the toilet. There. And this is the big shower. Look at that. Oh, we have this Turkish bath. And there's the big shower. And then, okay, it's nice that we have some toiletries. We have cotton buds. We have some shower cup. Oh, I like that one. Glasses. We have hair dryer, which is perfect. And that's the toilet. We have rolls. Okay, that's pretty good. Yeah, not bad. Okay. And this is the cabinet. Ooh, awesome. Okay, that's nice. And then that's me. And then let's open this one. Okay, this is where we have an extra pillow here. Oh, we've got a slipper, and they've got a safe. Oh, that's really good. They've got a safe. We got a slipper, and we've got hangers in there, which is good to hang clothes. That's really nice. It's a nice touch. Okay, so there's a suitcase. There's some cabinets here. Oh, there's a fridge. Let's see what's inside the fridge. I hope there's something in there. There's water, and there's orange juice, and there is. Oh, that's cool. So we got some water, and so got some drinks. Okay, that's a nice touch. And then got some TV. Got plugged in there. Oh, we've got more water. Oh, I love this one. We've got some coffee and some tea. We got a kettle here and that. It's a nice touch. And they've already opened the fruits because we are starving. As soon as I'm done with this. Okay, so we've got 2 beds, which is good. Dave can sleep in the small one and I can sleep in the big one. Okay, so yeah, so that's the bed. And yeah, it's good. We have the landline here. We got air condition, which is really good. And you got a socket there. It's really nice. We got some drawers in here. Yeah. It's there. And let's see what view we got. Oh, the view is the pool. Oh, we can't open this one. Hold on. Let's open it. See what do we have in here. So this is our balcony. And there's the pool. There's someone else's balcony in there. Okay. That's really cool. There's the pool. It's a big one. There's a pool. Okay. I like the view. Yeah. That's really nice. Okay, back to the room. Dave has been munching the sweets as well. Look what we got. We got some apple. We've got some guava. Is this a guava? No, it's not. I'm not sure what is this, but we got some banana, some kiwi, some apples, some, I forgot the name, but yeah, we got some fruits here and got some sweets. Okay, I think that's it, guys, for tonight. We finally made it to Turkey, and I'm looking forward to the adventure that we will have tomorrow. And of course, you will be with me, of course. We'll go together. I'm thinking of going for a massage because it's really tiring today. It's been, I think, 14 hours. We left the house around 11 a.m. and it's now 2 a.m. here in Turkey. So it's a long day, and I can't wait to have a good rest, then excited for tomorrow's adventure. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.